Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeout I want to show you a lot of brand name shoes for boys and for girls. These shoes are overstocked from a very well-known American department store, and the shoes are going to be included with an order of children's clothing. So let me show you some of the shoes that I have available. So for instance, these are Kenneth Cole Reaction shoes. These are for girls. As you can see, they're dress shoes. We have Michael Kors shoes here. With your Cirrus by Sam Edelman, sandals, here's a pair of boys' shoes by Kenneth Cole. Here's a pair of Kenneth Cole New York. Very elegant shoes. Size 13. Next we have another pair of Michael Kors shoes. These are sneakers, high top sneakers. Next we have a pair of Nautica. Okay, these are sneakers. Now, while I do also sell the shoes and sneakers sometimes separately, in this case, they are going together with an assorted lot of children's clothing. Okay, we have here a pair of Juicy Couture. Finally, we have here pair of Katy Perry. Alright, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My phone number is 917-913-6093. That's 917-913-6093. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know, and have an amazing day.